Here's how to create viral Pinterest pins. Unlike traditional social platforms where content disappears in 24 hours, Pinterest functions like a visual search engine. A single optimized pin can steadily pull traffic, saves, and sales for months or even years after you post it. So create a viral Pinterest pin. The first thing you want to do is build a standard vertical canvas. Always design your images in 2 to 3 vertical aspect ratio. Square or horizontal images gets compressed and ignored in the main feed layout. Keep your background clean and use bright, warm, high contrast tones to naturally disrupt the scrolling behavior. Next, you want to overlay a bold benefit driven hook. Static images without text have low click through rates. Add a clean, bold text overlay right on the graphic. Avoid hard to read cursive fonts. Use high converting headline structures that promises a solution or curated selection. Now, before uploading, name your raw image file with your target search phrase. When drafting the pin in your dashboard, place your main keyword at the beginning of the pin title and naturally drop 2 to 3 related keyword variation inside the first 2 lines of the pin description. Next, you want to publish to a highly specific board. Never drop your pin to a generic massive board. Save it to highly specific, keyword optimized board topic first. The algorithm scans the board title to figure out exactly who your target audience is before it distributes your pin to the home feed. With these strategies, you can create a viral Pinterest pin. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.